So this is just a little video just to show you that this Casio MT-65 electronic musical instrument does actually work. So just turn it on, turn the sound up, you can hear the lovely sound. Apparently that's an accordion. I'll play you with the whole, all the keys. So that's the white. So that's the black keys. This is my cat, excuse him. So basically everything works. All the keys work, all the buttons work, nothing's fallen off. I can put on, ooh, that. Let's try, I can't remember how to use this very well, to be honest with you. There we go. So apparently that's disco, 16 beats. There's the cheesy Begoin. If we put, now, that's what you're after, isn't it? A bit of disco, or pops, or just classic swing. So basically that's all your rhythms working. No idea how to stop it. There we go, that's how you stop it. That's those working. Vibrato, sustain. So you can hear that's working absolutely fine. Everything works absolutely fine. I'll turn it over. You'll see the back panel is still there. It's only got batteries in it. I don't have the plug-in socket. Oh, sorry, it's another cat. But absolutely perfectly fine. All in perfect working order, and in, you know, good looking nick as well. It's not got any chips or scrapes. And the colour's quite good actually. It's not got a horrible orangey colour or anything. So there you go. Thank you.